Capilano University offers students the best and quality education. So if you're looking for academic excellence and a place where you will be at the center, where you will really be helped to grow and to reach your full potential, this is the place. So come one, come all, because this is the best place. And I promise you, you will really feel at home and you'll get the best that you're looking for.
Hi, my name is Helena. I'm an international student from Germany and I'm in the Bachelor of Tourism Management program here at Capilano University. One of my favorite experiences in the tourism management program must definitely be the field trips that we do. I had one class that we did like 6 field trips, and I really like the hands-on learning. You get to go out, meet the industry, you get to do projects with them, and it's really just hands-on learning. You really feel like what you're learning, you're already applying it right away, and that's what I really like about it. So one field trip that we did was to Cyril's Marina in Horseshoe Bay, where we learned about responsible tourism, and we actually got to go on a boat ride through Howe Sound while learning about it, so that was really cool. So last summer, as part of my program, I did a co-op in Tofino, working with Tofino Resort and Marina as an adventure host. So I was booking in people for their adventure tours. I was also catching flights and booking seaplane flights. So really diverse, really cool experience. Also, I got to live in beautiful Tofino, such a remote place on Vancouver Island, and that was just an awesome experience. What I really like about CapU is the services that they provide. Especially in my first year, I really used the Writing Center a lot because they just check your papers, they help you with English, which is really good for international students like me. I also used the Math Center if I had any questions regarding math, and the Career Development Center is also a great example to help you because they do hiring fairs, you can get your resumes checked, they do workshops. It's really like an all-around help that is really great and had a great impact on me. I would definitely recommend CapU to other students because it is a beautiful campus. The classes are great, the classes are small, you get to find friends really easily, the professors are great, and it's really hands-on, you learn a lot, and you get to apply it right away, and that's what I really like about CapU.
With small class sizes, over 100 higher education programs, and industry-leading instructors, Capilano University is the perfect place to begin or continue your educational journey. For more information, contact us at info@mycism.com.